Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
SHEN ka SORKAR jilla kan sa THUNG ya ka search committee ne ka benta ban WAD ya ki kerteng jong ki officer ki batbit ban shimti como managing director bapura jong ka Begalia Energy Corporation Limited bat ha ki lain tili ki wei pat ki shnak trai kam jong ka ni ka shlem sam boarding habaro ka wei ka jilla. Usembut Menteri Ramba jong ke jilla uba preston tensong ha ka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ulaya tho baka SORKAR kan sapenmi de ka jingpen bena lingba ka tanat sam boarding khanang ban thau ya ka search committee ya ka ba an sakhli de ka chief secretary jong ke jilla ka kong Rebecca V Suchiang.
I'm so thankful to the cabinet yesterday. They approved the proposal brought by the power department relating to separation of the post MD and chairman. So I think our Honorable Chief Minister already briefed yesterday. Chairman of MECL being the holding company, from now on, the power minister himself will be the chairman, but he should be the chairman non-executive. Then the MD, the managing director, we have decided in the cabinet that we will draw from the open market the technocrats. We will draw maybe from the CEA, Ministry of Power Department, and these people, they are purely technocrats who possess the degree of, we call it IES. IES means Indian Engineering Services, and that is the intention of the government. And I am sure by segregation of these posts, will be able to improve the functioning of the MECL as a whole. And then number two, again the cabinet has also approved that 3 subsidiaries corporation that we have. Again, the chairman of these 3 subsidiaries corporation, which is known as Distribution Corporation, Transmission Corporation, and Generation Corporation. So again, these 3 will be headed. Chairman will be appointed by the government to any senior officers, be it chief secretary, be it additional chief secretary, be it principal secretary, or be it commissioner secretary, where the people who will again become chairman of these 3 subsidiaries. But the MD of the holding company of MECL will be again the MD of these 3 subsidiaries corporation in the MECL. Why we did that? Because we really wanted to make sure that MD of the corporation, who will also look after all the 3 subsidiaries full time, he'll be able to improve the functioning, he'll be able to transform the functioning of the MECL as well as these 3 subsidiaries, which is very, very important for the state of Meghalaya. Now from power department, we will notify. The notification will be constitution of the search committee, which is to be headed by the chief secretary. Then EOI will be floated. Whoever candidature interested to maybe to work as managing director in the MECL, they are free to apply, and thereafter the search committee will screen, and then they will select, and then they will recommend to the government.